Hey, my name is Dave, creator of the BE.A.S.T Body Blueprint. This program was designed specifically for you, the veteran man. The goal of this program is to shed 20 pounds of unwanted body fat, improve testosterone levels, and get you stronger, all from the comforts of your home. Today, what I'm going to be doing is showing you the baseline PT standards that everybody that goes through this program has to perform at the start and at the end to judge performance improvement. The goal of these standards are to be performed from home, but you can obviously do them in the gym as well. I've picked the best possible standards based on the best science available so that you can end up being stronger, but also healthier, leaner, and harder to kill. So stay tuned. I'm going to go through the demos of each one of these exercises, and then you can get after it and start doing them from home as well. All right, so the push-up, really simple movement. You wanna make sure that you aim for 40 push-ups because 40 push-ups was deemed to be the number of push-ups that allowed men to live the longest, believe it or not. So make sure to keep the hands just outside of shoulder width, come to full extension, that's really important, and try to stay to a similar cadence the entire way. All right, so the wall sit, really simple. You're gonna get up on a wall, you're gonna get your thighs to parallel, and you're gonna wanna try and hold that for 2 minutes. That's gonna show that you have the requisite strength to carry on with a PT program, and will also make you super resilient to falls later on in life. Make sure to maintain this standard for the rest of your life. By far, one of the hardest of all the tests is the dead hang test. Aim for 2 minutes. This is a good test of grip strength. If you can hold onto a bar for 2 minutes, that means you're going to prevent falls when you get older. Additionally, grip strength has been shown to be one of the major predictors of longevity. So keep working at it. If you can't quite get there, keep on working on the program and you'll get there eventually. A true test of overall strength, try to work up to 30% of your body weight in each hand for 400-meter walk. Good luck. The YMCA 3-minute step test is performed on a 12-inch surface. You're going to step up onto that surface using a predetermined cadence. Once you're done, you're going to sit down and take your heart rate for 1 minute. This is going to be a great predictor of your VO2 max, which is a great predictor of longevity. All right, that's it. So I hope these standards give you an idea of what to expect in the BE.A.S.T program. Definitely try and practice these as much as possible throughout the week. And as you can see, they can be all done from your home. So if you need some extra gear to be able to do things like the farmer's walks, then it's as simple as going out to your Home Depot and getting some contractor jugs, filling them with water, and just adapting and overcoming so that you can be the fittest, hardest to kill human being on the planet. If you have any questions and want more information on the program, all you need to do is go to the link that is here in the description or reach out to me at my website at davemorrow.net and I'll be sure to answer all the questions that you have. All right, brother, see you on the other side. Peace.